Hello again, Zach Jones here from Recruit. Right this moment, your ideal applicants are out there. Who knows what they're doing, but there's one crucial question you need to be thinking about. Do they know that you exist? Do they know that your manufacturing company exists? Recently, we performed some research in my home state of Alabama. We surveyed hourly workers to see what they knew and thought about the state's automotive manufacturing industry. And here is one question we asked them, quote, did you know that Mercedes-Benz, Honda, Hyundai, and Toyota manufacture vehicles and or engines here in Alabama? And guess what? 37% of them said no. Alabama is home to world-class brands, and over 1/3 of their potential workers don't even know it. Frustrating for sure, but very true. And if we quizzed this same audience about what these companies actually manufacture, how they produce, where the plants are, etc., I'm sure we'd be equally frustrated. So, if this many people aren't aware of huge companies and what they do, how many prospective workers know about Tier 1 suppliers or other manufacturers, regardless of what they produce? And here's why the answer to this question is so important. No one wants to apply to or work for a company they've never heard of. So, what are you doing to increase awareness in your local communities about your manufacturing company, about what you make, and about the opportunities that you have available? Awareness should be the first step of any recruitment effort. At Recruit, we customize recruitment strategies for manufacturers, so consider taking advantage of our manufacturing recruitment blueprint. This process involves me meeting with you and then our team developing the perfect recruitment strategy for your needs and goals. Shoot me an email, zach@recruit.com, to schedule a complimentary call so that you can decide if this is a good fit for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.